Now we're gonna watch it properly with you. Oh. You ready, boys? With the 20 gifted Melusidi. What may contain blood and spoilers. Oh, I don't deal well with blood. Is that Jack Manifold's laugh? Whose laugh is that? What's it? Ghost Bro's fucking black eyes. Holy shit. Oh, it's so good. Look at that. That's so cool. That's Tubbo. He's got a load of scars on him, doesn't he? He's a clean. He's a bit of a bath, doesn't he? It's the music. I thought it was Jack Manifold going. Oh, there's Phil. Hey up, Mike.
The only thing that works in this world is that you treat others as they treat you.
Not really. I steal from others, but I wouldn't want to be stolen
Those that
from.
have treated me with kindness,
Me?
I will repay that kindness tenfold.
I didn't know what that word. I had to Google what that
And
word
those that treat me with injustice,
That's cool. Oh, look at little Ranboo behind them. Go. Oh.
hunt me down, that hurt my friends.
Yeah, I'm one of your friends, Techno. Actually, I don't think I am
I shall
anymore.
repay that injustice
Oh,
a
this bit's
1,000
sick.
times over.
Feels like
Hey,
Minecraft.
it's you. Look what I found.
So the plan is simple.
Fucking Ludwig reference in a Dreamhouse MP animation.
And we kill Technoblade.
Boys, the plan is... Oh, it's so good. I never choose blood personally.
Pick you, do something. Pick you.
Perfume on that of attractive.
You get away from that horse, Quackity.
Technoblade, drop everything.
The song's so good in it. It's so good. Who is that? With the little pig ears.
You actually got him.
Bill, what did they
This
do?
bit's, oh, okay, this bit coming up is fucking grim. I couldn't believe this when I first saw it in the YouTube premiere. I was like, oh, what the fuck?
Technoblade has robbed our country of everything that made it special, of everything that defined what it was.
I don't think anyone will be able to rob me. Oh, this bit's sick. Oh.
Pick you, pull the lever.
You ready, everyone? You ready?
Lever, pick you.
This bit, holy shit, watch this. Oh, what the fuck, man? That's so badass. Oh, this is so cool. He's a scary motherfucker, isn't he?
Did you really think, Quackity?
Tell
that
me
you
it's
could
so
kill me that
distinct in how it
easily?
sounds, isn't he? Come on, Quackity, man. Use the auto-tune filter. You're not going to be able to defeat fucking Technoblade, aren't you? It's not a robotic fucking big Q looks when he's fighting. He looks so shit compared to Techno.
Everything we've been building all fucking long, Techno.
I have a pickaxe, and I'll put it through your teeth.
Personally, I wouldn't like that.
You see, there's something telling me that I haven't.
Oh
shown you. Not even
yeah,
close.
here I come.
I have been working on just
What
a
have
little
scars?
hobby.
Plasters.
You see this wall? Welcome home, Theseus.
Then we go, what the fuck?
Come
What the
home,
fuck?
Theseus.
Oh, that's cool. That's so cool. Oh, that's I fucking dude, SADIST. Oh man, please subscribe to SADIST if you haven't already, everyone. They're so good. She's really just the coolest Dream SMP member person, isn't she? Oh, it's so good, man. Oh man. Thanks, SADIST. That was fucking. Anyway, boys, I'm